and I was just like playing some more Modern Warfare Remastered. Well, I'm not just no. I don't know. But anyways, we will be playing, and yeah, I will be playing this, and also Firelord. Firelord, I'm making a broadcast. I'm making a broadcast. Be quiet.
Again?
Yeah, I'm on YouTube.
I'm on YouTube again! I got a bunch of YouTube.
Anyways, that's my friend Firelord. So, we're gonna play, and oh yeah, let's go!
What? I didn't hear you.
Okay, so, no, I don't want, no, damn it. Okay, a Valkyrie, new character. Dude. Just text me. Your mic is going crazy. Okay, so, this is so... Dude, I'm playing Modern Warfare Remastered. You can't play with me.
Aww. I'm just gonna play Watch Dogs too.
Okay. Anyways, we're gonna play free for all. I'm gonna pick ambush. Oh, wet work! I'm gonna go in game chat. Okay. You know why I'm getting out of game chat. See you later. Well, anyway, and what the freak? I'm gonna mute everybody. And anyways, what? This is stupid. Okay, let's play some more free for all.
Free for all.
Anyways, I need to mute people. Okay, let's play. Get wrecked. Okay. A shot on point. Who died?
UAV recon standing by.
Okay, let's do this. Come on. One of you guys get wrecked. Right there. Let's go, guys. Ah, oh, crap, this is hard. Retarded! Oh my gosh, you guys are retarded right now. Oh yeah, oh my god. I can't stand this. So hard. You guys make things, you guys make life hard. Okay, let's do sniper. I'm totally gonna die with a sniper, like.
Helicopter approaching.
See, I told you! Okay, AK-47, you, 7 for you. Oh, you suck. Stop camping right there. One doodle head is camping. Lake. This is my first freaking lap. Who has a stealth chopper? You guys suck. Okay. I actually killed someone. Ah, I'm in. Oh, you little. Come on! I could have been in third place. Oh, nice shot. Oh, nice shot. Well, I'm gonna go back and party chat, guys. Yeah, it's so retarded. But, huh? Yeah? Anyways, we're gonna do another match.
Wanna join my share play?
Dude, no. I'm still in my broadcast.
Oh, because I'm on a slide right now. This is how I.
Ayo, watch my broadcast. Okay, I have to mute you. Just text me if you want to talk to me, okay? 3, 2, 1. Okay, so that was just a coincidence. Let's play some gun game. Yeah, I'm kind of good at that. Well, not really. Okay. But this is I guess they already started without me. But it's alright. Oh, yep, they totally started without me. How? You stupid little piece of bull. This is freaking bull. Oh, I died. Well, too bad. I guess I thought I was very good at this game, but the M1111. Let's go. Die! Of course! Oh, this is so hard. Come on! This is so freaking hard. I can't. Yeah, let's go. P90, let's go. Oh, come on. Well, Of course I got killed. What the heck was that? Oh. This is shotgun. And just a thing. Oh! Yeah, you think you can. Why is she breathing? That sounds so weird. So, if you guys like this game, subscribe and do that stuff while I freaking die. Oh, you little. Beep, 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 beep. Oh, that's hard. This game's so hard right now. You're getting harsh on me. Try harders. They keep on harsh on me. Oh, I knew it. Me. Little BB gun. I got a BB gun. Little BB gun. Oh, come on. Let me spam it. I'm like gonna spam it. Come on! You have to be a piece of bull to me. Yes! Stop breathing. That sounds so weird. And gay as crap. Oh, come on! I almost had that. This little... Oh, you saw that? Can I just get past this?
Last gun. Humiliation.
Okay, right.
Last gun. Last gun.
And I'm at the low. What the frick? I thought that was like a machine gun, but it was a G3. I should have looked at the label. And it's a damn P5. That's what I was aiming for. You little...
Last gun.
Mask off! Mask off! Mask off! Let's get it.
Last gun.
Oh! Mask off! Molly purposely, mommy. You little punk! Oh. What? Well, anyways, thank you guys for watching. And if you did, please subscribe and comment. What do you like about this video? I think it's pretty much nothing. But thank you guys for watching, and I love you guys. This is my first video, though. Bye. And see you guys later. So,